أصدقائنا من قناة شامي ستورز، النهاردة جبنا لكم فيديوهات من جميع أنحاء العالم. هنجيب لكم مواقف ورياكشنز بتحصل مع جيمرز كتير، والتهييس هيبقى للركب. ولو انت جيمر تقيل اكيد حصل معاك نفس الكلام، ولو انت جيمر نص نص يعني اضحك معانا مفيش مشكلة. يلا كله يحضر نفسه عشان يركب معانا قطر الضحك اللي هنروح بيه نوني في الهلس ستيشن. موقف معانا النهارده لواحد حظه وحش جدا جدا. طبعا كلنا عارفين قد ايه لعبة ساكرو من اصعب الالعاب اللي نزلت على بلاي ستيشن 4، وناس كتيرة جدا بتتعصب منها.
نينجا شوب
هابي هوب من اليوتيوبرز المشهورين وبيحب النوع ده من الالعاب. معانا ليه فيديو كان فيه بوس فايت مع ليدي باترفلاي. انا عايز اقول لكم اني كسبتها في 3 ايام تقريبا. المهم لما كان بيلعبها وبعد حرق دم ووقت قضاه كتير جدا جدا قدر انه يكسبها في الاخر، بس للاسف حصل له الموقف ده.
Eat shit, man!
Oh, my controller's disconnected.
No, my controller! It's disconnected! You're fucking kidding me! Motherfucker! Oh my god!
موقف تاني معانا النهارده، واليوتيوبر المشهور نانو اللي قرر يتجن ويلعب مع الجيرل فريند بتاعته لعبه الفي ار المشهوره اريزونا سانشاين، وهي للاسف ولا بتعرف تلعب ولا اي حاجه، وهيحاول انه يعلمها. تعالوا نشوفوا بقى عملوا ايه.
Don't do anything stupid.
Okay, listen here. You're gonna take that grenade, you're gonna pull a pin, and you're gonna throw it towards that bridge. Good luck.
Wait, what?
Did you pull the pin?
اليوتيوبر يامي ماش، واللي كان من اشهر اليوتيوبرز في الفتره من 2008 ل 2015، واتشهر بفيديوهات العاب الرعب، وخاصه اللي بتبقى معموله في استوديو مستقل، بالرغم انه كان بيتفزع وبيخاف من ظله من اقل حاجه.
هربت من يوم.
الفيديو اللي معانا النهارده من لعبه امنيجا ذا دارك ديسنت.
Oh no, I saw him! I saw him! He's right there!
Yeah, we need to get him away from the door.
Well, how are we gonna do that then?
Go back up to the room where the arms and legs were of that monster. Let's grab an arm.
Yeah, he's going towards the arm.
Yeah, I ran by him.
Hey, how's it going, dude? Bye, dude! Oh, okay, it works. Oh, thank God. Okay. Oh God! I made it! Oh!
موقف تاني معانا النهارده، واليوتيوبرز المشهورين فانوس كرو، واللي كانوا مشهورين بانهم بيلعبوا مش عشان يكسبوا، لا سمح الله، هم بيحبوا يخشوا يتسلوا كده. الموقف ده كان من لعبة H1Z1.
And this building right here, as you can see, is the Pleasant Valley Police Station. It's the most dangerous place on the planet.
Is it really?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Doors are shut. That's not good.
I think someone's probably in here.
Hello? Hello, is anyone in the police station? There's a guy in the
There's a guy with a shotgun in the basement?
All right, we're friendly. We're coming in. 3 people friendly. We're back up, okay? Where you at? We're here. Oh shit, there's 2 loot bags by the front door. Hey, guy with the shotgun, come out with your hands up and we won't kill you. We have 3 guys with 3 shotguns. Died like hell.
Wait, who's that? Oh my god!
He's friendly, he's cool.
Oh, that's a big
Tons of
stick.
shit.
That's awesome.
Alright. I'm gonna open the door.
This guy looks fucking ready. Look at him.
Yeah. Guy. I'm gonna open the door. You spear him in the face, alright?
Look at this Spartan. He's ready. He's ready for battle. Oh my god! Oh no! Get him! Open fire! Holy shit! Run! There's so many! There's multiple enemies! I feel like they could easily just walk out and just kill you.
They can.
Shit, what is that? What is that?
As soon as you said that, I moved to the left and he came out and shot. Wow. That was okay.
Oh, he's there! Oh god, they're doing the shoot. No, I'm dead! No!
اليوتيوبرز المشهورين دات سكويرل و H2O ديليريوس واللي كانوا مشهورين بتحدياتهم في لعبة فورتنايت. النهارده هنشوف ستاتيو تشالنج او تحدي التمثال اللي كان ببساطة انهم كانوا بيروحوا منطقة المقابر في الماب لابسين لاف رينجر سكين ويفضلوا واقفين ما بيعملوش حاجة كأنهم تماثيل عادية جوه اللعبة ويشوفوا حد هيكتشفهم ولا لا.
What are you doing? Oh my god! Run! He's chasing you!
He's a damn maniac.
He's chasing you!
He's a damn maniac.
Oh shit, no, wait, no. A teammate was on top of the roof, that's why he did it!
What? Oh, there's a gun!
Oh my god! The others! The others!
Oh,
He's crawling through. I'm gonna let him pick him up.
he didn't know how to res.
Raise it right in front of me!
I can see it. No way.
I'm gonna see what happens when he stands up, if he noticed.
There's no way.
Come on.
Here comes the wall.
Come on.
If
No,
you can
I
do
know.
this. Oh.
Hold on, let him look around. His friend's like, fuck this, I'm out! Oh, he's coming back! As soon as he gets up, I'm gonna drop the red one. He's looking around at one hand!
Oh my god!
They're gonna die by the storm! These poor guys! We are bullies!
Okay.
He's looking around like, what the fuck? Is the teammate coming back? Yeah, he came back! Oh, he's just crawling away.
Yeah.
He's just crawling away. They died!
That was best.
ده كان فيديو النهارده من شامي ستورز. ما تنساش تعمل لايك وسبسكرايب وتشير الفيديو لاصحابك. استنونا في فيديوهات جايه كتير. Thank you for watching and peace out.